the United States has launched a major strike on Iran's city of Isfahan. This move could significantly escalate tensions in the Middle East. According to reports, the U.S. used powerful bunker-buster bombs to hit key targets in Isfahan. These bombs are specifically designed to destroy underground facilities. Isfahan is not just any city. It plays a crucial role in Iran's military and nuclear infrastructure. This region is believed to house critical facilities related to uranium processing and missile development. Because of this, any attack on Isfahan is seen as a direct strike on Iran's strategic capabilities. This strike comes amid rising tensions between the U.S. and Iran, with ongoing military actions in the region. There are growing concerns that this could lead to further escalation, possibly involving other Middle Eastern countries. Such developments can impact global oil prices, international relations, and overall regional stability. Many experts are now watching closely to see how Iran responds. The big question now is, will this lead to a larger conflict, or can both sides move toward a deal?